halted that growth within Russia? Obviously, I was speaking to the central bank governor about not just the crypto space, but also, of course, her thoughts on the broader economy and how 5G has really galvanized this digital boom. Where do you see that growth headed?
Sure. So just to take a step back, the Russian financial space is very interesting, and it's been very overlooked, unfortunately, over the last few years. So you've had the appearance of digital ecosystems which have actually grown out of financial institutions. So that's Sberbank, that's Tinkoff. You have obviously your Yandexes and your Ozons of this world who are going to go into finance themselves. So you've got amazing competition, tons of innovation, and service levels which I would say, without a shadow of a doubt, are better than you'd find in Europe and the US. So you've got this very vibrant space which is going places. And this is driving a lot of the changes that you're seeing in Russia in terms of digital innovation. And that's obviously underpinned by amazing infrastructure. So the whole mobile infrastructure and the leapfrogging that happened back in the 90s, early 2000s has taken to this space, taken to this stage today, and that's continuing. So it's amazing.
Your competition, I mean, obviously it's tough to compete when you've got the likes of Sberbank. I mean, what's the advantage that Tinkoff has in this space?
So Tinkoff's a bit smaller, but growing very quickly. As we said earlier, 15 million customers. And that's a big chunk of the population in Russia, but we know how to get to 20 and 30 million customers, which we're doing very quickly.
So and the app is incredibly user-friendly, apparently.
Yeah, so it's all about the app. It's about the UX, the user experience. It's about the fact that it's a whole suite of services all offered through the super app in one place with excellent service on the back end. So basically we have the best technology in Russia in the financial space. We have a very strong service culture. We think about the customer, all their pain points, problem resolution, not just what they need in terms of services, but what happens if they have a particular issue. So we solve that all very quickly. And that's very important for customers because they think about the security of their data, the security of their finances, and what happens if I have a problem with financial services because it's a relationship product. And there we're just that sharp, but a bit sharper than other players in the market.